who carry their pictures, and some are even publishing addresses of business premises of their children and all that. Why have we degenerated to this level?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to react to what Senate leader Opeyemi Bamidele said. You know, he cautioned opposition parties against stampeding the judiciary into partisan politics through disinformation, malinformation, and misinformation in pursuit of their selfish, according to him, in pursuit of their selfish interest against the collective interest of Nigeria and Nigerians. So, BKO, how would you describe the behavior and attitude of the main opposition parties and their supporters throughout these electoral matters saga? Would you say you're proud of their conduct?
No, I can't be proud. Anyone even calling for foreign intervention in Nigerian matters does not know what he's doing. That fellow has lost rationality. So for Abure, um, who has not cleared himself of forgery allegations here in Nigeria, to go to the extent of saying all of the things he's saying, it shows that he's a borderline hypocrite. So I'm not impressed with the way they've conducted themselves. I expect that, yes, people will be angry at the way the election went. This was a closely fought election. Definitely, people will not be happy about the way the outcome of the election, the outcome of the judicial process. But those judges followed the law. For the PDP to be saying they went against the law, come and teach us now how they went against the law. In which instance did they go against the law? They won't be able to point at anything. We told them when they went to the US to waste money that you cannot bring fresh evidence because electoral matters, electoral litigation is by nature different. It's not like civil matters. You are not going to be afforded any extension. After the 180 days, you are not going to be afforded any extension. We told them, but they didn't listen. They said we didn't know what we were saying. But that's what the law says. I told them that the Supreme Court does not have a witness box. So it is not even in the place of the Supreme Court to decide matters related to forgery. That is, matters related to forgery are handled by the Federal High Court, not an electoral court, not an election petitions tribunal. No. We told them about this 25% in Abuja. They also didn't listen. These days, people have lost rationality. They will not even look at what the law says. It's just their opinion. They want to force their opinion on everybody. Even if they are not making sense, they expect you to just accept what they are saying. They are not ready for a healthy argument, and that is why we are where we are. People just want only their opinion to reign in the hearts of people. You have to convince people.
That's right.
You have to convince people. That's the essence. We must have healthy arguments. We can't build a nation when people are not ready to listen to one another. We must be ready to listen to one another. If you are making sense, I should be able to say, okay, my friend, I agree with what you are saying. I think you are right on the money. I agree with you. But that's not what we are saying. People just want, just their opinion must carry the day. Come on. I mean, this is a very poisonous behavior. And we have brought it into the electoral process.
That's right.
How do you say that it's very clear that on the points of law, the judges did the right thing. Look at what Justice Agim said. He said the deposition did not have the seal even of the Nigerian embassy, because this is something from another jurisdiction. It has to have that seal for it to be admissible. Their lawyers should have told them, should have ensured that they did what was right. And in any case, They should have got the Chicago State University to give them a letter indicating that they reject in its entirety um, the the certificate in contention. But they never got that. And there's nowhere in which the deponent said, no, this certificate is fake. Nowhere.
That's right.
In any case, even if they got all of that, the big elephant in the room will have been whether the Supreme Court will accept this evidence so late in the day. I knew all along that it will not be accepted.
That's right.
It will not be accepted. You are not going to be allowed to reframe